What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to the vlog channel. Today's vlog is a little bit different.
Well,
as you can see, we're not home.
It's not a van video today.
No.
So there will be one very soon. We've done a lot. We wanted to condense a lot into one video. But today, we are in Cornwall.
We are in Cornwall. We're so excited because finally we actually get to go away somewhere and this is actually allowed, which is kind of crazy.
Yeah, so I mean, if you're not in the UK's in a tier system right now. Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3. And basically, if you're in the right tier, you can travel to other areas so long as they're not in a tier that doesn't allow people to travel.
Yeah.
So in Cornwall, everything is kind of open right now.
Yeah, we're still obviously obeying the rules. We're wearing our masks. Even outside of our hotel room, we have to wear a mask everywhere and stuff. So
yeah, you have to wear a mask all through the hotel and everything,
Yeah.
which is fine. The pool's open though, which is cool.
Yeah, that is really cool. So it's a bit different, really.
Yeah,
something a bit different.
We actually arrived last night.
Yeah.
We went in the pool, got some dinner. What did we have? Like
so
a vegan,
good.
vegan takeaway.
Yeah, plant-based takeaway.
That was cool. And today we are going to, where are we going?
So I think we're going to St. Michael's Mount, which is actually the thing I'm most excited for to see in Cornwall. I think it's going to be really cool.
St. Michael's Mount, and is it Land's End? I think we're going to go to.
Yeah, something like that. And then tomorrow, in tomorrow's vlog, we're going to be going to the Eden Project. So there's like massive glass pods with like botanical gardens inside, which is kind of cool.
And a friend of ours did the lighting in there, so we're going to go check that out. We're going to see it at night.
Yeah,
But
it's going to be good.
Let's go to, well, do you want to see the room? It's kind of a basic now. We usually do our...
It's a basic room, isn't
I know.
it?
Usually when we're on holiday, we're like, oh, room tour, but
Yeah, no.
I mean,
there's nothing to see here.
that's it. Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we've finally made it to Land's End. This is literally like the end of the UK.
Yeah, we're at the end.
So cool.
It's incredibly windy.
So windy, so we're not sure how the mic is going to handle in the wind when we go outside, but hopefully it'll be okay.
That's a good point, but it's a new mic, so
Yeah.
hopefully it'll be okay.
It'll be a good test.
So we're going to go out there now, have a look around, but for our parking space, we conveniently picked
Yep.
a spot next to this.
This is a, what is it? A Volkswagen, isn't it?
This is, the Volkswagen
Caravan.
Crafter. And look, it's got a cool wheel,
Yeah, it's got a little ladder.
ladder, roof rack, but yeah.
Now that we're doing the van conversion, we see like so many van conversions everywhere. Like you
I
actually
know.
notice them a lot more.
Literally, I never noticed like ordinary vans before, and
No.
now it's just so easy to see.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go explore.
I'm excited. All right, so we're all wrapped up warm because it is so windy out here.
Yeah, we've come to an entrance here.
Yeah,
and it
it's
looks
like a
there's
little
some
building.
shops inside, but I don't know if anything's going to be open.
I mean, there might be like a little ice cream shop or something, but I am really excited because at least there's like something to do. Like apart from obviously do the walks and stuff,
Well-
there's like a little building. You can like have some snacks. There's also toilets here as well, which is really good.
Yeah, the main thing's the walks. It looks like there's quite a lot of walking to do. So
Yeah. I'm gonna check out this with Matt first, and then we'll do the walks after. So we've made it to the magnet section.
yeah,
Which one do you want?
look at this one.
Oh, that's so cool. I love that.
Yeah.
I really like this one as well. The little cow. Oh no! Wait, where's this? Grape farm.
Yeah.
I want to go here. It is extremely windy here, but we have a view finally. Oh my god, it looks amazing. And what is that actually? There's like a lighthouse in the distance. I only just noticed that. That's so cool.
Yeah, I don't know what that is over there.
I think it's a lighthouse.
Yeah, that's
But yeah, there's the cliff over here. So let's take a look closer. I have to shout because it's so windy here.
Yeah, I don't know how this mic's doing, but like I can
wait.
barely hear you.
Look at him. He's literally crying.
I'm crying a little, yeah.
He's crying because of that. That's how windy it is. He's literally crying.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh,
He's so sad to be here. He's literally crying.
so sad. Look down there.
Wow.
See the wave.
That looks
So-
amazing.
I was gonna, well, I brought the drone, I was gonna fly it, but the wind's coming up here.
Yeah.
I could tell the drone doesn't even need propellers to fly, it'll just
It'll
be
just
thrown away.
fly off. Look at that, guys. That is crazy. Oh my god, did you see that?
Yeah, they're the biggest waves I've seen in the UK before.
I know.
I've never seen waves that big here.
Alright, so we're on our walk now, and look what we have behind us. We have
Yeah.
this amazing cliff.
And if you can hear us, it's a miracle.
Yeah, it really is because it's so windy. I feel like we're going to be saying that a lot throughout this section of the vlog.
Wow. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we still got a bit to go down there. There's like a nice little walkway, nice little path. It is a little bit steep, so I wouldn't recommend doing this in like not suitable shoes. We saw someone walking down and they literally were not prepared for this weather. We were like, that was us a few years ago.
Yeah, but yeah. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's just...
And you can walk all the way over there as well.
Yeah.
All on that cliff, and you'll be even closer to that rock formation, which is so cool.
It's amazing.
I know, I'm so happy we came here.
Even windier.
It just gets better and better though in terms of view, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean,
so crazy.
Like, I have never seen waves this big in England before.
So crazy. And
you want to be in there?
No thanks. But I just saw a seagull that was just like coming off. He was just doing that. He wasn't even landing. He was just like flying for fun.
He was, yeah, just hovering.
Okay, we need a photo here. Look at that.
It's dangerous.
Yeah.
Don't go too much further then.
I mean, it's dangerous for you if you're not paying attention. You've got your camera.
Oh yeah. Let's have a look.
You are allowed to go here, otherwise it would be sectioned off.
Yeah, there's no barrier for this bit. I'm surprised you're allowed to go this far.
I know.
Look at the size of that. Sorry?
Imagine surfing on that. That wave right there is literally my biggest fear. I would not want to be on that.
That wave would end you.
I know, it literally would.
Alright, it's just actually started raining. I checked the weather forecast. It said no rain all day, but I guess it's a little bit unpredictable.
To be fair though, we're not complaining. At least we got to get away from the house and see something cool. So
yeah,
we're gonna head back and basically try and head to, what is it, St. Michael's?
St. Michael's Mount.
Which is closed, sadly, but we can still see it obviously from the shore.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
But we only have 2 days in Cornwall. We aren't going to get to see everything, but if you've been to Cornwall, leave a comment maybe of recommended places, because we'll definitely be coming back here.
Once we've built the van, I think that would be so cool.
Oh yeah, it would be a good place.
This would be a great place for the van.
So yeah, let's go. Yeah. This is the first and last post box.
How cool is that?
In England.
It's not even in use.
Not in use.
Alright, so we have just come to the pub. What is this called?
King's Arms.
King's Arms, and we just got some vegan food. We've got a burger, some chips. It looks incredible. And we've got some soup as well.
Really good.
So excited to tuck in. So now that we've had our lunch, the sun has already set, but actually that works perfect because look where we are.
Yeah, I mean the sun was backlighting this earlier.
Yeah.
So you couldn't even see it.
Oh my god, it literally looks magical, doesn't it?
Yeah, the tide's in at the moment, so there's no pathway.
I know,
when
and
the tide's out.
Closed.
Oh, it's also closed, but when the tide's out, you can like walk on a path to get there.
And also when the tide is like only a little bit in, there's like a small layer of water across the path which you can still walk on if you've got wellies. I just think that looks so magical in photos, from what I've seen on Google anyway. It's amazing, and there's like woodlands all around it. It just looks so magical.
It looks like, this looks like something out of Disney, doesn't it? Like a Disney island.
It doesn't look like you would see this in the UK. That's for sure. And take it off. Bye,
The seagulls, like every bird in the world is fine, but the seagulls, every time,
I know, I'm talking about you!
they want the drone.
I know, but look at the sunset right now. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is just such an amazing view. I'm so glad we came here at like afternoon kind of time, aren't you?
Yeah.
Hopefully the drone shots were good.
Imagine if the sun was setting like
Oh
right
my
behind
God,
the castle.
That would have been so good.